Hi, I'm Mariam from MSK and welcome to our channel where we discuss about the most exciting developments across Dubai. Today we will talk about one of the most acclaimed and distinguished projects that signifies luxury waterfront living, the Palm Jebel Ali. This project is a brainchild of a visionary developer, Nakheel. They are also a master developer of various successful communities in Dubai. Palm Jebel Ali is supposed to redefine the concept of design and innovation when it comes to luxury waterfront living. Strategically nestled between Port Jebel Ali and Jebel Ali Marine Sanctuary, Palm Jebel Ali boasts an exceptional location. It is also very well connected to the rest of Dubai via Sheikh Zayed Road, while the new Al Maktoum Airport is just 20 minutes away. Now let's talk about what makes Palm Jebel Ali a community which is unmatched. Imagine waking up to the sound of the waves. This community offers a variety of living options with pocket parks, fine dine restaurants, and stroll through vibrant town centers. The biking trails also encourage a healthy lifestyle. Nakheel has already launched the first and the second phase, offering from 5 up to 7 bedroom villas and also plots. With every launch, it brings us closer to the realization of this grand vision. Let's talk about a very peculiar feature of this community, which are the villa sizes. A 5-bedroom villa starts with an approximate size of 7,700 square feet, priced from 18.2 million onwards. The 6-bedroom villas have an approximate size of 8,200 square feet and the price ranges between 19 million up to 22 million. And then you have the 7-bedroom mansion options, which are massive in sizes starting from 11,300 square feet up to 12,200 square feet. There are also different designs, themes and layouts to choose from, with multiple options being offered from the developer. The 7 bedrooms, which are the coral villas, have the most premium offerings because of the massive sizes and the luxury design accustomed to fit the requirement of the customer. At the time of booking, you will pay a 20% as down payment with an additional 4% as the DLD fees, and then you pay 10% twice a year up to June 2026. For those with an eye for investment, Palm Jebel Ali presents great investment opportunities with predictions of achieving great ROIs in the next 5 years. The financial prospect is as promising as the views. Palm Jebel Ali is more than just a destination, it's a journey into the future of luxury living. Whether you're looking to call it home or seeking investment opportunities, Palm Jebel Ali is the place where dreams take shape. Thank you for joining us on this grand tour of Palm Jebel Ali. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to get more updates on Dubai's most luxurious destinations. Until next time.